We have some old friends who shall remain nameless, Matt and Ange, who used to pour scorn on our choice of vehicles, and I never understood why. Anyway, I thought I'd make this little video because we've acquired one recently, which I'm sure they'll think is a very sensible choice. So I'm going to show you. Let's undo this thing here. And here it is. 34 feet of quaking magnificence, powered by a 460 Ford V8. It devours trees by the truckload, contributes massively to the greenhouse emissions, but it does have a bathtub. Let's see if I can get a better picture of it here because I'm in the sun now. And there we have it, the old Fleetwood, the old bounder. We've named it Captain Jim actually after the previous owner, who's no longer with us sadly, but it is a fabulous vehicle. And we've had it for about a year and a bit, and I'm rather thrilled with it. It drives beautifully, especially since I did the brakes. We need brakes on something this big. We didn't have brakes before, and it did catch fire once, but I fixed that now. Unfortunately I can't get in because I left the keys in the house, but anyway, Matt and Ange, if you're watching, I hope you approve.